To enable or disable high contrast Samsung keyboard in Samsung Galaxy S10. Open Settings. From a home screen, swipe up or down from the center of the display to access the apps screen. Tap Settings. Scroll down. Tap General Management. Tap Language and Input. Tap On Screen Keyboard. Tap Samsung Keyboard. Tap Keyboard Layout and Feedback. Tap High Contrast Keyboard. Tap High Contrast Keyboard switch until blue to enable, or tap until gray to disable. Thanks for watching, have a nice day.